simple one, and to you, Mr. Sahu. This is around the regulatory landscape in India, how it has evolved over the years, how it is changing, especially giving in mind that we've become an affiliate member of the IDRF. And what does it, IMDRF, mean for us? How does it simplify rules? And at the same time, what does it bring to us back home in India?
First of all, good afternoon all of you, and it's my pleasure to be the part of this MTaI 2025. And first, again, thank you for asking the questions related to the India updates on the medical device regulation. So first of all, just we need to understand the India current, what the action the government has initiated with respect to the regulation of the medical devices. So earlier we have the lot of challenges, industry is facing lot of challenges for launching their product globally because of lack of regulation, proper regulation for the medical devices. So, and lot of other challenges also what we are facing, because certain devices comes under the regulation, not all the devices. So the objective of having the medical device rule 2017 is to have the uniform, harmonized regulatory approach for the medical device regulation, and the government has come up with that regulation in the year 2017, and implementation was initiated from the January 2018. So that is the first milestone as far as the regulation of the medical device is concerned. Prior to that, only certain devices that whenever it is notified, then only it comes under the regulation. So we have the limited scope for the regulation, not all the devices are under regulations. So once we have the uniformity in the regulatory approach for the medical device regulation, then next step that what the government did, we have notified the definition of the medical devices, so that all the devices should come under the licensing regime under the medical device rule 2017. Subsequently, because a lot of challenges for continuity of the devices in the market, quality and post-marketing surveillance also, so we have given the proper timeline for implementation of the new category of the devices which were not regulated. And then finally 2023, the licensing regime for all the type of medical devices has come under the regulation. So this is the India, the regulation part history. Still we have also challenges because still our medical devices comes under the definition of the drugs. It is not a separate distinct definition for the medical devices we have provided. So for that, to overcome that also, the government has come up with the separate that bill. That bill is yet to be that finalized. But in that bill, we have created a separate definition, separate that chapter for enabling provision for the medical devices. Because still we have the limitation, the rule, we are regulating through the rules. In the Act, there is no specific provision with respect to the medical devices. So, in regulatory pathway, India, what we did so far for implementation of the regulation, this is the state. Now, next step to harmonize and update our regulatory requirement with the globally accepted that regulatory requirement. And because of that, the government has taken the steps, and also India become the part of the IMDRF in 2024. Last year, we got that selected as an affiliate member by the management committee of the IMDRF, and now we are officially part of the IMDRF, and this